Have you been faced with the dilemma of knowing the difference between content writing and copywriting? Well, today's video is just going to be about these two rules. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and if this is your first time, please subscribe because I am going to be giving basic content marketing tips right here on this channel. So today's video is going to be short. It's just basically about content writing versus copywriting, the key differences, and when to use each skill. I first started off as a web content writer. Then I moved on to copywriting. Sometimes it can be when writing web ads and all, you have to use copies, not just content writing skills. So I dabbled a bit in that. Then I discovered that it wasn't something I wanted to do in the long run. Yes, I still have the skill. I can still write a copy if someone tells me to, but it's not something I'm deep into, and they are experts for that. But today I'm just going to be explaining the key differences of these two roles. When it comes to content writing, it's all about providing value, informing people, educating people. You see that in your blog posts, you see that in your social media captions, you see that in your email newsletters. These are simplified writings, not too much jargon. It's just to inform and to put your brand or put you as an authority over that particular topic, to let people know, okay, I know what I'm saying. I've delved into this topic. I know about it and I'm an expert. It's just basically to let people know about your expertise on the case using recent words. That's content writing. Now, when it comes to copywriting, it has to do with persuasion. You are not informing. You're trying to persuade the audience, or at least one person, to drive action. It could be a simple ad. It could be a tagline. It could be an email campaign. It could be a web copy. Content writing is to inform. Copywriting is to persuade. It drives action. It's like the call to action. It's not about, when you buy this toothpaste, it cleans your teeth. It's going to make you pearly white, fresh. When it comes to copywriting, you could say something like, if you don't brush your teeth twice a day, you are definitely not going to get the girl of your dreams. Something that is going to connect with your audience emotionally. For example, this Nike's tagline that we've come to know, just do it, which kind of is their foundation of every ad that they've been doing since they brought up that tagline or since they started. Then another example would be this Heinz's ad copy commercial that connects with the audience emotionally and kind of brings this familiarity into the whole thing and nostalgia because of how it's drawn and everything. It's kind of fun in a way. Copywriting can be fun, but it can also be tasking. You're like, oh, it's just copywriting. It's just to write one tagline. Do you know the kind of work that goes into setting copies? Do you know the brainstorming sessions, the research that has gone into a copy? For example, there was, when this Barbie movie was trending, I think it's 2 years now. Oh, it's been that long. Anyway, one of their billboard ad that I saw during that period had just pink on it. That was the background, just pink, nothing. I don't know if there was Barbie at the end, but without even seeing the logo, you know what is happening. You know what is going on. Like, it's a sense of, the Barbie movie. Oh, it's probably an ad for the Barbie movie. The amount of mental conditioning that has gone into that ad, that once you just see a color from it, you know that, it's a Barbie movie and nothing was written on it. That's what copywriting is, generating copies for ads, campaigns, basically to convert leads. So I hope I have been able to at least explain it to some extent because it's not like my area of expertise. I'm kind of into content writing. So the next video, I'll be focusing on YouTube channels that you'll be able to learn more about copywriting so that you can be more of an expert this year, or at least an intermediary or a beginner, anyone. I hope my next video will be as interesting, educative, and inspiring as this one. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.